Yes. Good morning, everyone, and welcome you all in mathematics class here. And today we are going to start this new chapter, that is congruence, where we will study the congruence of triangles. Okay, and the different conditions here, such as side congruence condition, then side congruence condition, and then angle congruence conditions. Okay, and it is your first video for this week. Okay, so let's start, students. So you can see the topic is that congruent figures. So what you can understand from this, that if two figures have exactly the same shape and size, that means their shape and size both should be exact same, then they are said to be congruent. Okay, as for example, suppose two figures are of the same shape, then in order to decide, first of all this you understand, suppose two figures are of the same shape, then in order to decide whether they are of same size or not, what you will do? We cut them and put one over the other. That means this process is called superposition only. Superpose, we can say. So suppose here you can see two coins. These two coins are of same shape and same size. Their size and shape both are same. So you can say that these two coins are congruent figures. If they cover, here only we can say, if they cover each other, when you are cutting that and putting over the other, if they cover each other exactly, then clearly they are of same shape and size. These coins only, if you are putting one above the other, one you take and put above the other, then if they will cover each other exactly, then what you will say? That means their shape and size both are same, and that means they are congruent. And this method of comparing two figures is known as method of superposition. Okay, so they are congruent or not, that you are finding, that is also a type of comparison only. Okay, that means you are comparing these two figures. So this method of comparing two figures is known as the method of superposition. I hope this is clear to you. Now this figure you can see, this is a triangle where this side is 3.5 centimeter, this is 4.5, and this one is 4 centimeter. The third side is 4 centimeter here. Then the next triangle you can see that it is 3.5 centimeter from here, and now this one is 4.5 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. So here both the triangles you can see that their measurement, side measurement, corresponding sides are equal. So they are also congruent triangles. Example, now this rectangle you can see, when the two rectangles are congruent, when their length and breadth are equal, when the corresponding lengths and the corresponding breadths are equal, then you can say that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, now similarly the square you can see, when these two squares you can say that they are congruent, when the side measurement of both the squares are equal, that means their sides are same. Side of first square is equal to the sides of second square, that means then you can say that these two squares are congruent here. Similarly, in case of circle, suppose that this is a circle only and this is the second circle, if their radius is same only, then you can say that these two circles are congruent. Okay, their radius should be same, radius or diameter should be same here. Okay, now you have to see congruence of triangles, because this chapter is mainly given for congruence of triangles. Then we have to study some conditions. First of all, this you see that two triangles are congruent if pairs of corresponding sides and corresponding angles all are equal. That means corresponding sides also and corresponding angles also should be equal, then only the two triangles are congruent here. But the conditions also you will see. So similarly here you can see that example, in these two triangle corresponding sides AB corresponds to XY, AC corresponds to XZ, and similarly that BC is the corresponding side of YZ. Okay, so these are, this AB corresponds to this XY, this you can say AC corresponds to XZ, and that BC is corresponding to YZ. So this way you can find that the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal here. I have shown also here the which are the corresponding angles. Now you have to see conditions of congruent triangles. In which conditions you can surely say that the given two triangles are congruent, that you are going to see now. So minimum condition, what is minimum condition required to say that the given triangles, given these two triangles are congruent? Okay, so that you see the side congruence condition. For that you can define it as like this only. If all the three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of the second triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by this rule, side congruence condition or side congruence rule. Okay, for example, in this diagram you can see this is a triangle ABC and this is the triangle PQR. In this you can see the AB is corresponding to PQ. Here this AB side is equal to PQ. Three lines here it is shown, three green lines. So that is showing that AB is equal to PQ. Then this BC is equal to QR. BC is these blue lines here. Okay, so this BC is equal to QR there. Okay, and then CA is equal to RP. So this also line you can see this CA is equals to RP. So this way you can say that the corresponding sides are equal here of the two triangles. So we can say that this triangle ABC and PQR are congruent by the side congruency condition, and the sign of congruency you see like this we are giving upside similarity sign and below the equal sign you will show. This way you will write, you can see we are writing like this, equal and upside similarity sign. So that is showing congruency, that these two triangles are congruent. This symbol you will use between the two triangles to show that given two triangles are congruent. Okay, now next you have that side angle side congruence condition. So in this, how we can define, first you have to understand that two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one are respectively equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other. This you must note down that two triangles are congruent if the two sides and the included angle, the angle is included here. This angle is included means this is in between the two sides. Okay, that's why we are saying that this angle is included here, and the included angle of one are respectively equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other. Okay, this diagram will clear everything here. That triangle ABC, you can see that BC is 5 cm, BA is 7 cm, and in this triangle EF is 7 cm and this ED is 5 cm, and you can see the included angle is 50 degree here. So you can say like this, that BA equals to EF. BA equals to EF is equals to 7 cm. Then angle B equals to angle E, which is equals to 50 degree here. And then the third side in which the angle B and angle E is involved here, that is BC equals to ED. This BC equals to ED, both are 5 cm. And these two angle B and angle E, you can see in both the triangles that they are included between the two equal sides here. They are included between the two equal sides. So that's why you can say that it is side angle side congruence condition. Okay, now I hope this point is clear to you all. Now you will see angle side angle congruence condition. That is, you can understand it from here that two triangles are congruent if the two angles and the included side, that means here the side is included between the two equal angles. Okay, the side is common between the two equal angles in both the triangles. Okay, so two triangles are congruent if the two angles and the included side of one are respectively equal to the two angles and the included side of the other. So in both the triangles, the side is included between the two equal sides. That you can see from this diagram that this is a triangle ABC, and the second triangle is, you can see that, DEF. Okay, in both the triangles, this you can see angle C is equal to angle F. This angle C is equal to angle F. This angle, it is equal. Okay, you can say that angle C is equal to angle F. Next, angle E is equal to angle B. By diagram it is shown, but first of all you should keep the side included in between, that is CB is equal to FE. This CB is equal to FE. Okay, you should take the name of the sides according to the corresponding vertices. That if you are taking from this center the large angle C, center angle, you can see which is angle C is the greatest angle. It is by the appearance of triangle you can understand that angle C is the greatest angle. So if I am starting from C, that is CB, so here also you should start from F, because F is the greatest angle in the second triangle. So that is FD. So CB is equal to, that you can see from that side I am taking, CD is equal to FE. From this you should take the smaller side on that side. Okay, because corresponding part you have to take care about this. Then angle B equals to angle E. So this way you can see, first these two angles are equal, then the downside angles are equal. Okay, that means, and this CB and FE are the two included sides here in both the triangles. So this way this condition tells that, and by angle side angle congruence condition, these two triangles are congruent. Okay students, so that's all. Now you can solve exercise 16 of chapter number 16, congruence, question number 1 and 2 nicely, and learn these all whatever I have explained, that congruency conditions that you will learn. Okay students, so thank you all of you, and do watch this video nicely for understanding all the points. So thank you all of you, and have a nice day.